Hey everyone, and welcome to Punjab, where even the babies follow the law. Or at least that's what we thought. So there I am, just enjoying a moment with my traffic wardens. Both appear out of nowhere, massive like secret agents on a mission. One of them whispers, "Give us 5,000." The second one flashes two fingers, saying, "Or face a 2,000 fine." And the third? He points dramatically towards the jail, adding, "And 24 hours behind bars, baby included." I was shocked. I told them I was just feeding my baby. I wasn't breaking any traffic rules. Just then, a guy without a helmet zooms right past us. All three wardens yell in unison, "Hey, stop. Is your helmet baby size too?" As I walked away, I couldn't help but mutter, "To avoid these guys, I might have to wear a helmet inside my house too."